Abdul, you know what? I'm going to do a video explaining day trading, scalping, and swing trading outside of the question you just asked to make it more clear for you. All right. So what's the difference? Day trading, scalping, and swing trading. Day trading, this is what swing trading is. Let's start with the bigger picture. Swing trading is the market opens, right? You see a breakup structure maybe to the upside, and you take a position. Maybe you wait for it to sweep into the fair value gap. The strategy I'm explaining to you can be used on day trading, swing trading, and scalping. All of them. Market opens, sweeps liquidity, it retests the fair value gap, and then you basically enter right here. Now you get stopped out, but you get the point, and you put your take profit on these highs. Now this is swing trading. You entered on a Tuesday and you took profit on a Wednesday afternoon. That is swing trading because you're leaving the position open over a couple of days, weeks, and even months, maybe if you keep the trade running. Now going over to day trading. Day trading is that you're closing your position during the day. So sometimes, because I use two different strategies, the 50-minute breakout model, which usually can take all from 3 to 5 hours, but it's on the same day, right? So day trading, this is what it is. So if I take the trade right here, if I take my entry right here, right, and I'm waiting all this time from this area until it hits my take profit. That's 3 hours and 15 minutes. Do you see? This is just hypothetical, just to get the sense of how it looks like. This is it. This is day trading. Now, scalping, it's all depends on your patient level and your stress level. Scalping is this. I'm jumping down to the 1 minute. Some people do even scalping on the 15 seconds and on the 5 second if you upgrade to the premium version of TradingView. So they see this is on 1 minute. Every candle is a 1 minute candle. They see a breakup structure. They see a fair value gap. They see a reaction of it. They take this trade right here, right? Boop, and they maybe take their first take profit right here or in this 50-minute fair value gap. So how long was this trade? This trade was entered right here and exited right here. This is a 14-minute trade. This is what I see as scalping. You take shorter trades. Now, you mentioned that you have 500 USDT. From my perspective, save your money. Don't use any money amount. Create a demo account. I put a link somewhere in the classroom section. You can just download, create a demo account from whatever broker that fits you, and trade with fake money. Learn the skill. Get into the habit of trading. Build the habit of day trading, and see what works for you. Maybe you're a day trader. Maybe you're a swing trader. Maybe you're a scalper. You like going in and out of the market as quickly as possible. Maybe you don't have time to scalp. Maybe you don't have time to sit next to the computer. So what do? You wait for longer setups because swing trading setups usually takes you maybe a week and a half to get a break of structure, and then you enter, and then you leave the trade for a couple of days until you enter. So you don't need to be sitting next to the chart all the time. You just need to do your analysis, enter, and then exit. I hope that was clear for you. Like I'm going back to this over and over again. Save your money. The money is not important right now because you will lose it. Trust me. It's like you're saying right now, I have $0 because you will lose it because you don't know where your fear level is and where your greed level is. And when you take a loss of $50 on that USDT 500 that you have, you enter a state where it feels like somebody else is driving and you're sitting in the back seat and you can't stop it. You can't stop yourself. That is why you lose your money. And trust me, I'm saving you a lot of frustration and headaches right now. Telling you to go to a demo account, try it out there, get some perspective of it, and then move over to Live Capital when you feel ready. All right. Have a great day.